Does Stash give you money? Have you ever wondered if Stash actually gives you money? It's a question that's been buzzing around the financial community for quite some time. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Stash to find out the truth. Stash is a popular investment app that's gained a significant following, particularly among younger investors. It offers a user-friendly platform that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. But the big question is, does it actually help you make money? How Stash works. Before we get into the meat of the matter, let's quickly recap how Stash works. The app offers various investment options, including Stash Auto Invest, which automatically invests a portion of your paycheck, and Stash Goals, which allows you to set specific financial objectives. The myth of easy money. One of the biggest misconceptions about Stash is that it's a quick and easy way to get rich. While the app can be a convenient way to start investing, it's important to understand that investing involves risk and there's no guarantee of returns. Factors affecting returns. Several factors can influence your returns on Stash, including investment choices. The specific stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares you invest in will determine your potential returns. Market performance. The overall performance of the stock market will also play a significant role. Fees. Stash charges a monthly subscription fee, which can impact your overall returns. Real-world examples. To get a better understanding of how Stash can work in practice, let's look at some real-world examples. We'll examine the experiences of different users who have invested through Stash and analyze their results. Success stories. Many users have reported positive experiences with Stash, achieving their financial goals and growing their wealth over time. We'll share some of these success stories and discuss the strategies they employed. Challenges and pitfalls. While Stash has its benefits, it's not without its challenges. We'll explore some of the potential pitfalls that investors should be aware of, such as the risk of losing money and the importance of diversifying your investments. Expert opinions. To provide a balanced perspective, we'll also hear from financial experts who can offer their insights into Stash and its effectiveness. They'll discuss the pros and cons of the app and provide advice for potential investors. Alternatives to Stash. If Stash doesn't seem like the right fit for you, we'll explore some alternative investment options. We'll discuss other popular investment apps and platforms that offer similar features and benefits. So, does Stash give you money? The answer is, it depends. While the app can be a helpful tool for investing, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and understand the risks involved. By carefully considering your investment goals and doing your own research, you can make informed decisions and maximize your chances of success. If you're interested in learning more about Stash or exploring other investment options, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.